Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to share now on these four for Joseph Tavares. He sent the cluster. Remember on the last video, we did the Vim programming and calibration programming on the computer that he sent. And then I requested him to send me the instrument cluster and the keys. He only has one key. I said, no problem, I can program it blank when he can cut it when he get it. Things that I want to share because, his concern is he has no communication on the vehicle and some other issues, but I need to share this with you and him because he's going to definitely be seeing this. So let me get a light. Give me 1 second. I need to get a flashlight. First, I want to get a flashlight. If this one works, yes, it does. No, I'm blind. Come on. The story of my life. Probably battery is dead. No, it is good. Or probably with better light, I cannot really see well on the um, camera, but I'm trying to share with you that we got corrosion everywhere. Same thing on these other pins on the other side of the cluster. This is a problem. So this cluster has been with water intrusion. I'm not even sure if it works or not. And I can see inside. Not sure how much you guys will be able to see. Let me get the camera. All right, so right here, I will be probably putting a pointer or so, but yeah, we got corrosion everywhere. So I'm going to open this first before I connect it and damage any of my equipment, and then see what we see. So let me get these bolts. These clusters are fairly easy to remove the rear cover, and then we can see a little more. So I'm going to put you guys in a tripod, and I'm going to set the instrument cluster removal. I will be doing it in the video, so just bear with me. All right, guys, this time I put the phone camera up in here so we can see what I'm about to do. Um, like I said, sometimes it is more to the story than what they described, and that's why we are here. I want to do this on the video with you guys so we can all see what is this. So I'm using, just for those that wants to know, a T10 uh, bit in order to remove. These are the screws, just coarse thread. You can use, I think it's like a 5.5 or a T10, like I said. And then remove this, and we will be seeing what do we really have here, right? Because if this cluster is dead, or because it can come on as far as the gauges and everything, but that doesn't mean the actual transceiver for the pads is working, right? Make sure I got nothing else. Nope. Oh yeah, look at this. What is that sound? So yeah, we have a lot corrosion in here. This is not something that I will even try to connect before I can talk to the customer. Because let me get the light. Um, Hopefully you guys can see the extent of damage in here. I'll make sure the actual camera is picking this up. I'm gonna try to turn more lights on. Yeah, that I think that works a little better. Yeah, so we have, let me get a pointer, a plastic pointer. So I mean, it's just everywhere. Look at these components in here, these components in here. Look at this component, it's just destroyed. So we have, I mean, oh my God. This is definitely really, 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 really bad. So I'm glad that I did this disassemble with you guys because I mean, this is not a cluster that I can use to program a computer. This will probably need to be repaired if the repair is even possible. So again, I'm just going to stop the video, contact him. I'm going probably just to use this as an update. I want to show that we have even corrosion here, here, I mean everywhere. Who's in my cameras? I got the ring camera going on in my office and it's on. That's the sound that we hear in there, but maybe you guys don't hear it, but I do hear it. Thing that I want to address or point is that is really bad. That is really bad. That is really bad. This one in here is really bad. I mean, this is most probably beyond repair. I will, again, let me just use this as an update on the cluster and immobilizer or pad system on these for Lightning for Joseph Tavares. All right, guys, it's going to be a short video, but again, it's an update and I cannot do much with this. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Hopefully, I can get something in here. I think I got a few of these clusters in here that I might be able to do a repair for him. I can see that he has different front, and we can definitely see that this has been in water, even in the front. Hopefully, you guys can see that in there. How how's water getting in here? Not no, I have no idea. But yeah, this is a definitely different problem, and I can see that even in the internals, I'm not sure if the camera will be picking this up because this board has this upper layer and then another layer on the bottom, another board, and even that one is corroded. All right, guys, I don't want to take much more of your time. I will keep you posted. How's everything going with this? I'll see you next time. Bye bye.